News coming out just moments ago. Attorney Crump is with us still. Andrew Lester facing now 2 felony counts, one Class A, one unclassified. But the Class A felony, Attorney Crump carries with it the possibility of life. Your thoughts?
That is the appropriate charges. I mean, to shoot a teenager just from ringing your doorbell cannot be the message that we send to society. So we understand that this is a first step to bring the charges, and we have to remain vigilant, Dale, until there's a conviction, because far too often we've seen charges where they shoot unarmed black teenagers and scream, "Stand your ground," and then the jury acquits them. So we are not going to start being relieved yet until we get a conviction.
As I indicated before the news conference, this is a case where they actually released the suspect. We now know his name, Andrew Lester, 80 years old, after 2 hours. Knowing now that he has been charged with a Class A felony, does it appear that authorities in Kansas City, Missouri, allowed someone who might have been a threat to society to go free without proper investigation?
It certainly seems that way. It certainly seems that way. And had his family and me and Attorney Merritt and our legal teams not started arguing in the court of public opinion, they might have swept this completely under the rug.
Question before I let you go, and I appreciate you hanging around during the news conference. As a society, we have seen cases involving driving while black. We've seen cases where people were shot inside their own homes, which was the case of Breonna Taylor. We've seen people jogging while black, as was the case of Ahmaud Arbery. Each time parents have to say they have to have the talk with their sons and daughters. What do parents say to their sons and daughters, in your opinion, after this case?
It's very difficult, Dale. I mean, you're ringing the doorbell. You're not bamming on the door. You're not doing anything that is malicious or aggressive. You just simply ringing on the doorbell. And so there's nothing we can say to our children. We have to talk to these perpetrators and tell them that they need to quit profiling our children.